शुभम कुमार जी। तो सर आज आप हमें बताइए आपके सर्विस के बारे में।
So basically, Guardian EV provides you a fully customizable white label EV solution that is fully compliant with our AI software.
Okay.
So who can utilize the software? Guardian EV software can be utilized by the CPOs, the fleet owners, the real estate owners, right? So our whole solution that gets from the demo to the phase where we do the deployment that completes within 2 to 3 weeks of time, including all the payment integration and everything, right? So Guardian EV is currently moreover focused on how the AI will help you to minimize the downtime of the chargers and how you can increase the revenue from your chargers and from the customers.
Okay. So what it is, for whom it is this services for?
So this is basically for the CPOs who are installing chargers pan India
Okay.
around the world. That is fine. There is no limit on how many chargers you are putting up. Even though you have one charger or you have 1,000 chargers,
Okay.
the software is fully customizable and that is fully scalable. So there is no restrictions on that.
Okay. And what are the benefits of this?
So as you already see, we have a dedicated cloud server. So we do not rely on any kind of shared kind of server and database. We have complete separate database and server for you. Then we provide you the future ready and scalable software. You also get to have the CMS portal along with the Android app, the iOS app, and the web app as well.
Okay.
So the whole billing process is also automated, and we are working on two kinds of AI: the predictive AI and the generative AI.
Okay.
So basically, the AI will definitely help you transform your business. You can expand your business more frequent, and you can generate more revenue from that.
Okay. So what is the any pricing for this is?
So basically, we have three kinds of pricing. One is the starter, one is the growth, and one is the enterprise.
Okay.
So suppose you are just getting started with your EV charging business. You have 1 to 10 chargers. You can start with our growth plan, and then gradually you can shift it to the starter plan, then growth, and the enterprise plan. So enterprise plan, when you take, then you get the complete AI solutions along with that. Even though you are on the enterprise level, you still get the AI software, AI solutions.
Okay.
But if you want to go into more depth of the analytics part of the software, then you have to go for the enterprise solutions.
Okay. If you have more chargers, you can get the more knowledge and how it is used.
Right.
And what are the timings, different analytic we can go through.
Correct. So basically, the OCPP has two versions, 1.6 and 2.0. So we support both the versions.
Okay.
We also have support the OCPI, that is the roaming protocol. So even you have multiple OEMs in your country, you can have a single app and you can charge via the single app from that. You don't need to download multiple apps.
ओके तो बिकॉज मतलब ऐसा होता है कि मतलब आपको हर एक चार्जर के लिए एक अलग अलग ऐप यूज़ करना पड़ता है।
करेक्ट।
मतलब बहुत सारे हमारे ईवी ओनर्स से मेरी अभी बात हुई थी वर्ल्ड ईवी डे पे, तो मतलब उनके पास कम से कम 100 उनके पास ऐप्स हैं।
राइट।
मतलब बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है
करेक्ट
कि इतने अलग अलग ऐप्स हैं, इतने अलग अलग चार्जर्स हैं।
That is where OCPI comes into picture. So through OCPI, you can integrate the worldwide EV chargers into a single platform, and user can have the feasibility of using one single app, and they can charge across the globe. That is fine. And the payment is also seamless. You have the automated payment billing. Either you can go via the prepaid or the postpaid mechanism. That is fine to you.
Postpaid is like they are
So prepaid is basically you top up into the app. You have a closed wallet kind of concept, right? So suppose you created 100 rupees beforehand. You do the charging of 80 rupees. So the 80 rupees gets debited from the wallet itself.
Okay.
Postpaid comes into picture where you have you add the credit card or you add the debit card. Then after the charging, you debit it from that particular source account.
Okay.
So instead of taking the payment beforehand, you will take the payment after the charging.
After the charging, and any particular bank or any particular card that you give special benefits?
So special benefits, that depends on the client to client. So if you are going with suppose you want to have the coupon codes available for your customers, you can generate a coupon code from the CMS and you can apply the coupon codes to them. In fact, you can have the subscription also enabled from the Guardian EV solution. So you can provide a subscription based on yearly, weekly and monthly, and based on that the customer can get the benefit.
Okay. Or if if the person want any other benefit like in use in a weekday or during the daytime, if you use the charging, any of.
Yeah, so basically the pricing module that we have, that is the dynamic pricing,
Okay.
right? So suppose on weekends you have high tariffs on charger, you
Okay.
can apply a on demand high tariff there, and on weekdays you can apply a on demand low tariff. So the time slots you can define, the pricing you can define based on weekdays, weekends, and individual days as well. So you have the full flexibility to define the pricing as per your convenience.
Uh-huh.
If you're going through the AI software, the AI will definitely predict for you like how on which day or which time you need to increase your tariff.
Okay.
Tariff means the pricing on the charges, and based on the prediction you can increase the tariff and you can generate more revenue from there.
Okay. And what are the advantages of using your service?
Okay, so what mainly distinguishes us from the other competitors is that we have a smart load balancing.
Okay.
So suppose you have multiple charges on a single location.
Mm-hmm.
So basically you have a grid that has 300 kilowatt of capacity, but you have charges that the combined charging capacity becomes 600 kilowatt. So the impact directly goes on the grid, right? So there is that is where the advanced load management comes into picture.
Okay.
Where the software will automatically detect and distribute the load according to the demand that is there and the supply that is we are getting from the DSOs and the rest of the electricity players. Apart from that, you have the whole AI predictive maintenance,
Okay.
the AI generative maintenance you get there. You also have the on-demand pricing that comes into picture,
Okay.
right? So these are the main key benefits that you get from the Guardian EV solution.
Okay. Okay. And for the CPO owners, how can they expand their network and what are the?
Yeah. So basically, there is no capping. When you touch the software, there is no capping that you only can install 10 chargers there. Even you have 1 chargers or even you have 1,000 chargers, the system is fully scalable and nothing downtime is there. So there is zero downtime. So 99.95% is our uptime basically. So that is the major benefit of taking the Guardian EV software.
Okay.
You do not get any kind of downtime. Only downtime is when there is something the cloud providers are having the downtime, only then there is a downtime, otherwise there is zero downtime.
Okay. Well, in future, they can expand their network. It's not like that the time they have taken the service that it will remain like that.
No.
It's
So,
totally-
so suppose you have taken the software from us like in this month, right? Every 2 months or 3 months, you will definitely see some of the new features coming on your CMS or the app.
Okay.
So we are not like we have built one thing this year and we will carry on to the next 5 years. No. So we definitely need to see what is currently going in the market. We definitely need to build our software according to that. And we need to improve our software. So every 2 months, 3 months, you will definitely see some of the new features coming onto your CMS and the apps.
Or it will keep evolving.
Correct.
They want to contact you for the service that you are providing. How can they contact you?
So basically, you can visit our website www.guardianev.com,
Okay.
and you can also directly contact us on the email sales@guardian.com.
Okay.
If you want to directly visit our office, you can visit Sector 90. We have on Bhutani, floor number 12. We have our office as well. So you can directly come there. You can see the live demos. We have chargers in lab where we can display you the live chargings and everything. We can show you live, and then you can decide.
ओके मैं आपका एड्रेस जो है आप नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डाल दूंगा.
Sure.
तो वहाँ पे भी जाके कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं आपको.
Yes.
और तो ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, बहुत
you.
अच्छा लगा हमें आपके बात, और आपकी सर्विस ज़रूर अच्छी लगेगी हमारे जो भी सर्विस ओनर.
दोस्तों, मुझे आपको ये बताते हुए बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मैं एज अ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र भी काम करता हूँ, और हमारे पास एक प्लान आया जिसमें हम 1 लाख से 1 करोड़ बना सकते हैं. तो उस प्लान को जानने के लिए आप नीचे के दिए गए नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप करिए और अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स कर लीजिए, ताकि हम आप उस प्लान के बारे में हम आपको बता पाएँ हमारे मैनेजर्स के साथ. और दोस्तों, आप हमारे अमेजन लिंक्स पे क्लिक करके हमारे अमेजन प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद सकते हैं और हमें हेल्प कर सकते हैं.
तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसी लगी आपको हमारी वीडियो, आप ज़रूर बताइए और कमेंट्स करके बताइए. हमारी वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करिए और हाइप करिए, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिए. तो फ्रेंड्स, ईवी सही है.